Hello guys, welcome to my channel with one more video. So in my previous video I explained how IG plant works in gas carrier. So in today's video I will explain in detail about IG chiller plant. So let's start the video. So I said in my previous video, the inert gas from inert gas generator will come to chiller plant, and this is the mimic diagram of chiller plant. And this IG coming in chiller plant is clean with oxygen of 1%. But as we made IG in ambient air, that is atmospheric air, or you can say that we made IG in inert gas generator in room temperature. So IG contains water, that is humidity, and in room temperature humidity is around 30 to 40%. So to remove water from IG, we pass the IG from chiller plant, and chiller plant works as same as our air conditioned system. And in chiller plant we use gas R22, and this gas from compressor, this is the compressor, this R22 gas will pass through condenser unit where it becomes liquid, and from the condenser unit it passes to receiver and then dryer, and from the dryer it passes to separator. By the way, this separator is not oil separator. So when this liquid R22 comes into the separator, it gets settled at the bottom of the separator, and then it flows into the evaporator where the heat exchange take place, and liquid R22 becomes gas. So this gas R22 flows back to the separator and settle above the separator, and this gas R22 flows back to the compressor, and this cycle repeats again and again. So IG from inert gas generator comes into the evaporator of chiller plant. This IG is clean and warm, having humidity, so here heat exchange take place and maximum water is extracted from the IG, and this water is drained to overboard, and then cold IG is passed through the demister, where also the remaining water is been removed and let pass only cold IG, and this cold IG is passed through then dryer. So this is the basic mimic diagram of the chiller plant, where IG is passed through the chiller plant so that its humidity get removed. This is how chiller plant looks like, where we remove the humidity from IG, and this is the discharge side of the compressor. So gas R22 from discharge side of the compressor will flow to separator. This is the oil separator which separates the crankcase oil from gas and put back the oil into the compressor. So the gas R22 from outlet of the separator flows into the condenser where the gas become liquid. So this is the giant condenser where the heat exchange take place and gas become liquid, and this liquid R22 will flow to the receiver. This is the receiver. You can see that the outlet pipe of the condenser is coming to the receiver. And from the receiver, the liquid R22 flows into the dryer. By the way, inside the dryer it has silica which used to remove moisture. And from dryer, the liquid R22 will flow into the separator. And as I said in the mimic diagram, this liquid gets settled at the bottom of the separator. This is how separator looks like. And the liquid R22 will flow into the evaporator through this pipe. And this is how evaporator looks like. In evaporator, heat exchange take place and liquid become gas, and this gas R22 will flow back to the separator through this pipe, and this gas settle at the top of the separator, and this gas will flow back to the compressor, and this cycle repeats again and again. And this is how R22 flows in the chiller plant. So this is the pipeline in which the Ig from the inert gas generator coming to the evaporator of the chiller plant. In this evaporator, heat exchange take place in which humidity is removed from Ig and warm Ig becomes cold. This Ig then will pass to the demister where the remaining water will be removed, and let only cold Ig will pass to the dryer. And this is how demister looks like. And from demister, the Ig through pipeline will pass to the dryer unit, and this is the dryer unit where the remaining moisture from the Ig will be removed. So that's it guys, I hope you understand the concept that how IgG chiller plant works. So in the next video I will explain the IgG dryer, how it works, and that will be the final part and the final equipment in the IgG before going the Ig to deck. So see you guys, have a nice day, bye.